In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include system audio when screen sharing in Microsoft Teams. We all know that sharing your screen effectively during a meeting or presentation is crucial, but what's often overlooked is making sure that your system audio is also shared. This can be important when you want others to hear audio from a video or a presentation on your computer. So let's go through the steps to ensure you're sharing both your screen and audio in Microsoft Teams. First things first, you'll need to sign into your Microsoft Teams account, make sure you have your credentials handy, and head over to the Teams login page. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of Teams where you can see your recent chats, teams, and calendars. From here, the next step is to start a meeting. To do this, navigate to the Meet icon, which can be found on the top right side of your screen. Click on it and a new window will pop up, prompting you to name your meeting and add participants if you wish. You can either start the meeting immediately or schedule it for later, whatever suits your needs best. But for demonstration purposes, let's start the meeting right away. Once you've entered the meeting, you'll notice a toolbar at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can manage everything related to your meeting. Here's where the magic begins. Spot the share button, which looks like an upward arrow. Click on it to bring up a variety of sharing options. You have the choice of sharing your entire screen, a specific window, or even just a browser tab. Choose the option that best fits the content you intend to show. Now, here's the crucial next step. If you want participants to hear audio from a video or application you're sharing, you need to also share the system audio. Before you finalize your sharing option, look for an additional checkbox or button labeled something like Share System Audio or Include Computer Sound, depending on which version of Teams you're using. Ensure this option is selected before you proceed. Finally, with all options selected, click the Share button and you're all set. Your meeting participants can now see and hear everything you're presenting. Remember, whenever you're done sharing, simply click on the Stop Sharing button that appears on the toolbar and you'll return to the normal meeting view. And that's all there is to it. Remember that sharing system audio can sometimes lead to echo or sound quality issues if you or someone else in the meeting is not using headphones. So keeping a pair of those handy can make the experience smoother for everyone involved. I hope this guide helps streamline your future presentations on Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.